artificial intelligence, or AI, has emerged as a powerful force in the world of user experience or UX design, promising to streamline workflows, enhance creativity, and personalize user interactions. However, the integration of AI into UX design is not without its challenges. While AI can offer valuable assistance, it can also introduce complexities and pitfalls that can negatively impact the user experience. Many designers have been captivated by the allure of AI, enticed by its potential to automate tasks, generate design variations, and analyze user data. However, the reality of using AI in UX design is often more nuanced and less straightforward than anticipated. Early adopters of AI-powered design tools have encountered a range of issues, from unpredictable results to a perceived lack of control over the design process. The initial excitement surrounding AI and UX has given way to a more measured and critical perspective. Designers are beginning to recognize that AI is not a magic bullet that can solve all their design challenges. Instead, it is a complex tool that requires careful consideration and strategic implementation. The integration of AI into UX design must be approached with a balanced perspective, acknowledging both its potential benefits and its inherent limitations. As we delve deeper into the world of AI-powered UX design, it is essential to listen to the voices of real users. Their experiences and feedback provide invaluable insights into the potential pitfalls of AI in UX. By understanding these challenges, we can develop strategies for harnessing the power of AI while mitigating its negative impacts. Only then can we create user experiences that are truly human-centered, intuitive, and enjoyable. One of the most common complaints from designers using AI-powered tools is the inconsistency of the results. AI algorithms, while sophisticated, are still prone to producing unexpected and unpredictable outputs. This can be particularly frustrating when designers rely on AI to generate design variations or automate repetitive tasks. "I was excited to try out AI for generating website layouts," says one UX designer. "But the results were all over the place. Some were decent, but others were completely unusable. It felt like I was spending more time trying to fix the AI's mistakes than I would have just designing the layout myself." This sentiment is echoed by many designers who have found that AI's inconsistency can lead to wasted time and effort. The unpredictability of AI outputs can also undermine the design process. When designers cannot rely on AI to consistently produce usable results, they may be hesitant to fully integrate it into their workflow. This can limit the potential benefits of AI and prevent designers from exploring its full range of capabilities. Another significant challenge designers face when using AI is the feeling of losing control over the design process. Many AI-powered tools operate as black boxes, meaning that the inner workings of the algorithms are opaque to the user. This lack of transparency can make it difficult for designers to understand why the AI is producing certain results and how to adjust its parameters to achieve their desired outcomes. "It's like the AI has a mind of its own," remarks one UI designer. "I can input my design preferences, but the AI often ignores them and goes off in a completely different direction." This sense of losing control can be particularly unsettling for experienced designers who are used to having complete autonomy over their creative process. The struggle to control AI outputs can also lead to ethical concerns. If designers are unable to fully understand how AI algorithms are making decisions, they may inadvertently introduce biases or perpetuate existing inequalities in their designs. This highlights the importance of developing AI tools that are transparent, explainable, and allow for human oversight and intervention. Ironically, one of the potential downsides of using AI in UX design is the creation of less user-friendly experiences. This can occur when AI tools prioritize efficiency or aesthetics over usability, resulting in designs that are visually appealing but difficult to navigate or understand. "I was using an AI-powered tool to create a mobile app," shares one UX researcher. "The AI came up with a design that looked sleek and modern, but it was a nightmare to use. Users couldn't find what they were looking for, and the navigation was confusing." This example demonstrates how AI can sometimes lead to designs that prioritize form over function, neglecting the fundamental principles of usability. The pursuit of novelty in AI-generated designs can also contribute to usability issues. AI algorithms are often trained on massive datasets of existing designs, which can lead to a tendency to replicate established patterns or prioritize trendy aesthetics over user-centered considerations. This can result in designs that are visually appealing, but lack the intuitiveness and ease of use that are essential for a positive user experience. Section 5. Generic outputs. The homogenization of design. One of the criticisms leveled against AI in creative fields is its tendency to produce generic outputs. This concern is particularly relevant in UX design, where originality and innovation are highly valued. AI algorithms, trained on vast datasets of existing designs, can sometimes struggle to break free from established patterns and generate truly unique and innovative solutions. I've noticed that a lot of AI-generated designs look very similar, observes one UX designer. It's like the AI is just remixing existing ideas instead of coming up with something truly new. This homogenization of design can lead to a lack of diversity in user interfaces, potentially making it difficult for brands to differentiate themselves and offer unique experiences to their users. The reliance on AI for creative inspiration can also stifle human creativity. If designers become overly dependent on AI to generate ideas, they may neglect to explore their own creative potential and develop their own unique design sensibilities. This can lead to a stagnation of innovation in the field of UX design and a decline in the overall quality of user experiences. Section 6. Cost implications. The price tag of AI-powered design. While the potential benefits of AI in UX design are undeniable, the cost of implementing and maintaining AI-powered tools can be a significant barrier for some designers and organizations. Many advanced AI design tools come with hefty subscription fees, requiring ongoing investment to access their full functionality. I was excited about the possibilities of AI, but the cost of the software was prohibitive, says one freelance UX designer. As a small business owner, I couldn't justify the expense, especially given the uncertainty of the results. This sentiment is shared by many independent designers and smaller design studios for whom the cost of AI tools can be a major obstacle. The financial burden of AI-powered design can be particularly challenging for non-profit organizations and educational institutions with limited budgets. This can create a digital divide, where only well-funded organizations have access to the latest AI-driven design technologies, potentially exacerbating existing inequalities in the field of UX design. Section 7. Finding the balance integrating AI without sacrificing creativity. The challenges associated with AI in UX design do not negate its potential value. Rather, they highlight the need for a balanced approach, one that leverages the power of AI while preserving the essential role of human creativity and intuition. Designers must learn to view AI as a tool to augment their existing skills, not as a replacement for their expertise. AI can be a valuable asset for tasks like generating design variations or analyzing user data, says one UX design lead. But it's crucial to remember that AI is just a tool. The final design decisions should always be made by a human designer. This perspective emphasizes the importance of maintaining human oversight and control throughout the design process. The key to successfully integrating AI into UX design lies in finding the right balance between AI assistance and human creativity. Designers should strive to use AI strategically, focusing on tasks where it can provide the most value while retaining control over the overall design direction and ensuring that the final product meets the needs and expectations of real users. Section 8. Conclusion. Toward a human-centered approach to AI in UX. As AI continues to evolve and permeate the field of UX design, it is crucial to maintain a human-centered perspective. The ultimate goal of UX design is to create experiences that are intuitive, enjoyable, and meet the needs of real users. AI can be a valuable tool in achieving this goal, but it should not come at the expense of user-friendliness, creativity, or ethical considerations. The future of AI in UX design hinges on the development of tools that are transparent, controllable, and prioritize usability. Designers must advocate for AI that augments human capabilities, not replaces them. By embracing a balanced approach that combines the power of AI with the ingenuity of human creativity, we can harness the true potential of AI to create exceptional user experiences. Share your thoughts on the drawbacks of AI tools in UX work in the comments below. And don't miss out on the latest updates by liking, sharing, and subscribing to this channel.